Isa, which hotel are we in?
Hyatt Centric Boston.
All right, let's go check out our room. Which hotel are we in?
Hyatt Centric.
Hyatt Centric.
Hyatt Centric.
Okay, let's go check it out, guys.
Wow! So, there are a few things I like about it. I like the shower in the black and white.
Yeah?
I like...
The shower is black and white?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what they're called?
What?
Subway tiles. But you know what my favorite thing in this whole bathroom is?
What? The painting!
The frame?
The picture frame.
Artwork,
I have
yeah.
never seen a picture frame about toilet paper. Toilet paper was invented in the year 1891. Patented.
That's about 100 years ago.
Yeah, more than 100 years ago, toilet paper was,
Invented.
yeah, or patented.
Look!
Look. They do have the Hyatt Centric. They do have the Hyatt Centric Be Kind lotion and stuff. Did you guys see the closet?
Yeah, the closet.
I think-
where we can hide. The safe is really safe. Oh,
An ironing board.
iron.
An iron.
There's a piece of...
What is that under the safe?
What is that? Is it a fridge? I guess
A
it
drawer
was.
fridge. Can you open it for the camera?
Maybe it's a freezer.
This has got to be the cutest fridge.
Fridge. No freezer. That's
I think that is the map of Boston. That is the map of Boston. And did you guys see the door is on a rolling, so you can roll, and a sliding door. You can slide the door.
Hey guys, I want to show you something. After Issa's done. I want to show you something.
Thank you, Isa.
You're welcome. This.
That-
is moving, and it must. Oh, it doesn't open.
It's
but-
not a storage one. But did you see that little picture up there?
Yeah, I saw it. They're all pictures of Boston.
That is, yeah, that is pretty cool. I like it.
Milk
Yeah.
Street.
That milk, I'm not sure if I remember this correctly, but that is actually named after somebody very important. It's a person's last name, and that's why it's called Milk Street. They named the street after him. Okay, so now we see the beds. Two smaller twin-size beds. Look, mommy's moving the TV so we can tilt the TV. And last thing, this is a deluxe corner room, so it comes with this little
Wobble
stool
stool. And you can do this
and
one.
that corner chair.
Also, you can pull it. Yeah. Like that. On both sides.
And guys, you can see the historic trail. You can see the red bricks that we followed this summer. See, look at all those people following. You can actually take a look at the...
Oh, that's why so many
Who
people.
who can tell me the name of that trail? If somebody can tell me the name...
Trail.
If somebody can tell me the name of the
Freedom
trail...
Trail.
Is there? You win 5 points. That's awesome. What city are we in?
Boston. Busty. Heaven.